लीटर पानी
एक बार में। तो सुबह और शाम में दोनों टोटल मिला।
So this is the start of the biogas plant, and they don't add anything else except cow dung and water. That is it. And they do this twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. And then this travels down and comes into the chamber. And once it comes here, the first time to start the system up, it takes about 20 to 25 days. Once the system is in operation in steady state, they said it takes about 4 hours to produce the biogas. So for example, if they put it in the morning, if the sunlight is good, then by the afternoon they can get biogas coming out from this pipe here. This all works on mechanical. There's no pumps in this.
See, this is a gas pipeline which is coming from the outside biogas plant. You can see here, it just comes here. It goes to the gas plant. If you see here, and then along with that, they kept the wooden chula here. See, these are normal chula which they would have used otherwise when they put, the wood, etc. See that? Okay. Now it's running on biogas. Okay. पानी रख देना, कुछ भी बर्तन रख देना.
So I have a question. So how is it to cook with biogas? Is it better than?
ये ऐसा मिला कि चूल्हा जलाते धुआं में आँख खराब हो जाती थी, फूकते फूकते दम घुटती थी, और ये गैस वाली है तो.
All right. So they're really enjoying biogas, number one, and the two reasons is one, because of the smoke that comes out because of firewood cooking, their eyes had a lot of problem, and two, you have to blow to get it started. So in that, their lungs were also having a lot of problem, and now they don't have any of that. As kids, you've learned, how do you use firewood, and that's how you've grown up with. How hard was it to transition to biogas? And she said it was very easy. You just turn a button and the gas is on. It's so much easier than it is now.
थोड़ी ज़्यादा ही खा लेते क्योंकि उसकी रोटी अच्छी टेस्टी लगती है और धुआं में खराब नहीं होती है.
So I asked them, ever since you got biogas, has your consumption of food, has it gone up or gone down? And they're like, it's gone up because the food is tastier now. Okay? I'm telling them that wherever they get their kids married, make sure that house has a biogas, otherwise don't get them married there at all.